Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to explore the technology that will change everything in 2026. Think about it, 2026 isn't far away, the future is almost here. We're talking about 10 game-changing tech trends that are going to be huge. From AI to quantum computers, we'll cover it all. Explained simply so you can impress your friends. Let's go. Okay, let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. You might have heard this term a lot lately, but what does it really mean for you in your daily life? AI is not just a futuristic concept anymore. It's becoming a part of our everyday routines, often in ways we don't even notice. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is quietly working behind the scenes, making things easier, faster, and sometimes even more enjoyable. By 2026, AI won't just be a popular word. It'll be everywhere. Imagine walking through your city and seeing digital billboards that change based on the crowd, or public transport that adjusts its schedule in real time to avoid delays. AI will be woven into the very fabric of our cities, making them smarter and more responsive to our needs. Whether you're shopping, commuting, or just relaxing at home, AI will be there, working in the background to make your experience smoother and more personalized. Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI helper, let's call her Kriya, has already made your perfect cup of tea. She knows exactly how you like it, strong, with just a hint of ginger. But Kriya does more than just make tea. She can adjust the lighting in your room to match the sunrise, play your favorite morning playlist, and even remind you of important meetings or birthdays. Your home becomes a smart, responsive space that adapts to your preferences, all thanks to AI. You get in your car, and Kriya has your route planned, avoiding traffic like a pro. Your car's AI system not only finds the fastest way to your destination, but also suggests the best places to stop for coffee or fuel along the way. If there's an accident or roadblock, it instantly reroutes you, saving you time and stress. In the near future, self-driving cars will become more common, letting you relax, read, or even catch up on work while your AI chauffeur handles the road. At work, AI is helping you automate tasks, analyze information, and even create content. Imagine having a digital assistant that can schedule your meetings, sort your emails, and highlight important documents, all in seconds. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write reports, and even design presentations. This means you can focus on the creative and strategic parts of your job, while AI takes care of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. AI is changing businesses too, from personalized ads to early disease diagnoses. In healthcare, AI can analyze huge amounts of medical data to spot patterns that doctors might miss, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. In marketing, AI helps companies understand what you like and shows you products that actually interest you, making shopping more convenient and enjoyable. Even in finance, AI can detect fraud and help you manage your money better. But here's the important part. AI is only as good as the information we give it. If we feed it accurate, diverse, and unbiased data, it can make better decisions and help us in more meaningful ways. But if the data is flawed or biased, AI can make mistakes or reinforce unfair stereotypes. That's why it's so important to pay attention to what goes into these systems. That's why ethical AI development and data privacy are super important. We need to make sure that AI respects our privacy, keeps our information safe, and is designed to be fair and transparent. This means creating rules and guidelines for how AI should be built and used, and making sure that everyone's voice is heard in the process. After all, AI should work for everyone, not just a select few. It's up to us, the humans, to guide it in the right direction. We have the power to shape how AI grows and what role it plays in our society. By being thoughtful and responsible, we can make sure that AI is used for good, to solve problems, bring people together, and create new opportunities for everyone. The future of AI is about improving our abilities and creating a better future for everyone. It's not about replacing humans, but about working together, humans and AI side by side, to build a world that's smarter, safer, and more connected. As AI becomes a bigger part of our lives, let's make sure it's a force for good, helping us reach our full potential and making life better for all. Now, let's step into a world that feels almost like science fiction, but is quickly becoming reality: quantum computing. Imagine a technology so advanced it has the potential to completely transform the way we solve problems, process information, and even understand the universe itself. This is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the making. Quantum computing is truly mind-blowing, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. While traditional computers use bits that are either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use something called qubits. These qubits can exist as 0, 1, or both at the same time, thanks to the strange and fascinating rules of quantum mechanics. To put it in perspective, if you think of today's computers as powerful calculators, quantum computers are like having a supercharged brain that can solve puzzles and equations that would take current machines thousands of years to crack. The leap in capability is so huge, it's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. The magic behind quantum computers lies in their ability to process massive amounts of data simultaneously. Because qubits can be in multiple states at once, quantum computers can explore countless possibilities all at the same time. This opens up doors to solving problems that were once thought impossible. Imagine scientists discovering new medicines in days instead of years, or engineers designing solar panels that capture energy with almost perfect efficiency. Quantum computers could even revolutionize cybersecurity by breaking codes that are currently unbreakable. Or, on the flip side, creating new forms of encryption that are nearly impossible to hack. But as exciting as this all sounds, building quantum computers is an enormous challenge. The technology is still in its early stages, and creating stable, reliable quantum machines requires incredibly precise conditions, like temperatures colder than outer space and equipment that costs millions of dollars. So if you think of regular computers as bicycles, reliable, familiar, and everywhere, quantum computers are the spaceships of the tech world, rare, powerful, and capable of taking us to places we've never been before. Experts predict that by 2026, we'll see major breakthroughs in quantum computing. Companies and researchers around the world are racing to make these machines more practical and accessible. But it will still take some time before quantum computers become a part of our everyday lives, like smartphones or laptops. When that day comes, get ready for a new era, one where the impossible becomes possible and amounts of data simultaneously. Because qubits can be in multiple states at once, quantum computers can explore countless possibilities all at the same time. This opens up doors to solving problems that were once thought impossible. Imagine scientists discovering new medicines in days instead of years, or engineers designing solar panels that capture energy with almost perfect efficiency. Quantum computers could even revolutionize cybersecurity by breaking codes that are currently unbreakable. Or, on the flip side, creating new forms of encryption that are nearly impossible to hack. But as exciting as this all sounds, building quantum computers is an enormous challenge. The technology is still in its early stages, and creating stable, reliable quantum machines requires incredibly precise conditions, like temperatures colder than outer space and equipment that costs millions of dollars. So if you think of regular computers as bicycles, reliable, familiar, and everywhere, quantum computers are the spaceships of the tech world, rare, powerful, and capable of taking us to places we've never been before. Experts predict that by 2026, we'll see major breakthroughs in quantum computing. Companies and researchers around the world are racing to make these machines more practical and accessible. But it will still take some time before quantum computers become a part of our everyday lives, like smartphones or laptops. When that day comes, get ready for a new era, one where the impossible becomes possible, and the world as we know it is changed forever by the power of quantum computing. Let's change topics and talk about sustainable tech. It's important that we find ways to live and work without harming our planet. We're talking about renewable energy, electric cars, and sustainable farming. Technology is helping farmers grow more food with less water and fewer chemicals. Smart waste management is turning trash into compost. The goal, a future where technology and nature live together peacefully. It's about making good choices today for a brighter, healthier tomorrow. Hold on tight because we're entering the world of 6G and next-gen connectivity. You thought 5G was fast? 6G will amaze you. Download speed so fast you could download a movie in a second. It's about a super-connected world, self-driving cars, remote surgeries, and more. If 5G was high-speed internet, 6G is a whole new internet. Faster, more reliable, more powerful. By 2026, we'll see the first 6G networks. We're at the start of a new era of connectivity. Let's talk about something that seems like science fiction: autonomous everything. Not just self-driving cars. Think drones delivering packages, robots cleaning your house, and self-driving trucks on highways. These machines will free us from boring tasks and create new jobs in robotics and AI. The key is to use automation while also dealing with job losses. It's about working with machines, not being replaced by them. The future of work is changing. We need to adapt and change with these advancements. Note, there were no references to 2025 in this chapter, so no changes were necessary. Imagine stepping into a world where the boundaries of reality dissolve and the impossible becomes possible right before your eyes. Get ready to enter the Matrix, where technology and imagination blend seamlessly to create experiences you've only dreamed of. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of extended reality, or XR. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolution in how we interact with the world and with each other. XR is an umbrella term that includes virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. Each of these technologies offers a unique way to experience digital content, whether you're fully immersed in a virtual world, overlaying digital information onto your surroundings, or blending both realities together. By 2026, XR technology will be more advanced, accessible, and user-friendly than ever before. Devices will be lighter, more powerful, and designed for everyday use, making it easy for anyone to step into these new worlds. Imagine slipping on a pair of VR headsets that feel as comfortable and stylish as your favorite sunglasses. No more bulky equipment, just sleek, lightweight devices that you can wear anywhere, anytime. Or picture AR glasses that project helpful information, directions, or even messages right in front of your eyes. You could attend a live concert from your living room, try on clothes virtually before buying, or get real-time translations while traveling abroad. XR will transform the way we learn, work, and play. Students can explore ancient civilizations in virtual classrooms. Doctors can perform surgeries with digital overlays guiding their every move. And manufacturers can design and test products in a fully interactive 3D space. By 2026, the line between the real world and the digital world will be almost invisible. Our daily lives will be enriched by digital experiences that feel natural, intuitive, and magical, ushering in a new era of human potential. With all this tech comes a dangerous side: cyber attacks. As our world gets more connected, online security risks increase. Enter Cybersecurity Mesh, a new way to protect our information. Instead of one big wall, it's a network of adaptable security checkpoints. It's about moving to a more flexible, spread-out security system. By 2026, Cybersecurity Mesh will be important for everyone. We need to stay ahead of cyber threats. Let's talk about edge computing, bringing processing and data storage closer to users. Instead of sending all your information to the cloud, edge computing processes it locally for instant responses. By 2026, edge computing will be crucial for the next generation of connected devices. This next one is like science fiction: digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual copy of a physical thing, process, or system. Use it to simulate situations, improve performance, and predict problems before they happen. By 2026, digital twins will be everywhere, from factories to cities. It's about building a more efficient, resilient world. Let's finish with something important to all of us: healthcare. By 2026, healthcare will be more personalized and data-driven, thanks to wearables, AI diagnostics, and telemedicine. Imagine your smartwatch detecting early signs of sickness or talking to a doctor from home. Personalized healthcare tech helps us take control of our health. So there you have it, the top 10 tech trends shaping 2026. From AI to personalized healthcare, the future is exciting. Which trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Until next time, stay curious.